teacher Devdip sir back with another lesson of computer for you. So I hope you are ready for the class. So without further ado, let's start our class. Now students, as you remember that before our summer vacation, we had completed a lot of chapters. So basically we were doing the chapter that was based on, if you see in the syllabus there, which chapter we were doing? We were doing the chapters related to the keyboard was over, alright. Apart from that, we had also conducted the test based on these chapters. I hope you remember that as well. Now, there was a bit of remaining portion of this chapter that we were doing basically. Yes, that is from here, okay? That is the chapter. What is the name of this chapter, children? We were doing. Do you remember the name of the chapter? Input and output devices. That is chapter number 6, okay? Now, I had already explained you about keyboard, mouse, joystick. We will now start today our topic from scanner, okay? So what is scanner? Let us see. So scanner is an input device which is used to copy and send images to a computer. So what is a scanner? Scanner is an input device. We know that what is an input device? Input device is something that is used to input data or information. Now these images can be in the form of photographs, drawings and logos, okay? The scanner is basically used for scanning particular images. So what does scanner help us to do, children? Please note. Scanner helps to scan images, okay? Alright, I hope this is clear to you. Now students, since it will be a recorded class, okay, whatever doubts will be there, with the help of your parent, you can ask questions in the WhatsApp group, just like you had done previously, okay? So what did we learn here? Let us see again, recapitulate. The scanner is used to scan images, okay? What is scanner used for? Scanning images, alright? Now, so what is a microphone now, children? So let us see. Microphone is an input device which is used to record voice in a computer, okay? So microphone is an input device that is used to record what? It is used to record voice, alright? Now, you will see that is, I am teaching by the help of microphone with you all now. So what you will do here, with the help of this speaker front, you will talk over here and through the wires the signals will be given to the computer, okay? Now, what is web camera? Web camera is basically an input device by the help of which you can capture photograph. And remember that principal ma'am had spoken with your guardians in the meeting. So she has done that with the help of a webcam. With the help of webcam only we can do any form of video conferencing. Is it okay? So video conferencing is basically done by the help of web camera. Now what are the commonly used output devices? Let us see. Some commonly used output devices are, for example, if you can see here, that is monitor is one example, printer is an example, speakers are an example. So some commonly used output devices are monitor, printer, speakers, okay? Now what is a monitor, children? Monitor is an output device which is used to display the result. Whatever you type, suppose my name is Devdeep sir, my name is Devdeep sir. I type with the help of keyboard, it will be visible or displayed here. Where? In the monitor screen. Which screen? Monitor screen. Okay? Now, very important for you all to remember, monitor is also known as what? VDU. What is the full form of VDU? V for visual, D for display, U for unit. So V for visual, D for display, U for unit. Okay? Now, what is printer? Okay? Printer is an output device which is used to get output on a piece of paper. Okay? Now, the result that we are getting on the monitor screen, what is that called? Please underline. The result that we get on the monitor, that is what is displayed, is called soft copy. That means the data that you can see on the monitor screen is called soft copy. But when the result you will get in the form of a printout, what is that called? The result that we are getting in front of a printout, that is called hard copy. What copy? Hard copy. Okay, any doubts, children? If you are having any doubts, please ask them in the WhatsApp group. Time and again I am telling you, if you are having any doubts, you can ask them in the WhatsApp group. Now children, finally we come to the last topic of this chapter that we couldn't wrap up during the summer vacation. And what was that topic? The topic was speaker. Okay? Now what is speaker? Speaker, although is quite familiar to you all. So speakers are an output device. What do they give? They give sound. They give output in the form of sound. So again, please underline. They give output in the form of sound. Okay? So how does speaker give the output? In the form of sound. Underline this. Now, there are some questions we have to solve. So are you ready, children? Be ready with your pencils. Okay, I hope you all are ready. So let us start. I know that the devices through which we give commands and instruction to the computer are called input devices. Children, please click on agree. I know that computer, mouse, scanner, microphone and joystick are examples of input devices. Again, click on agree. I have learned that the devices through which we give or view the results are called output devices. Please click on agree. I know that monitor, printer and speaker are some examples of output devices. Please click on agree. So all the answers will be agree. Please tally your answers. I hope all of you are tallying your answers. Okay. Moving on. Now, we will solve, pick the correct answer, which is the MCQ. Okay? Keyboard is an example of which device, children? It is an example of input device. So write here input. A dash is used to play games on computer. How do we play games on computer? Come on boys. you know this answer. What is it? Joystick. So click on joystick. Dash is an input device which is used to capture a photograph. By which device we can capture photograph? The answer is webcam. So write here webcam. So till here I believe all of you have written the answers. Now coming to the final question. A dash is used to get result on a paper. Which device is used to give result on a paper? The answer is printer. P-R-N-T-E-R. Printer. Okay. So I hope all of you have got the answers correctly. Yes? Okay. I'll wait for you to write down the answers. And also take the option here, printer. Just wait a bit, children. I hope the screen is visible now. So, okay, now we move to the question answers, okay? Question answers part, all of you will note down carefully, okay? Now, are you ready? Instructions we give to the computer. What is that called? It is called input. 1 second, children. So instruction that we give to the computer, what is that called? It is called input. Alright? The result that we get from the computer, what is that called? Output. So write here output. Device used as a pointing device. Which device is used as a pointing device? The answer is mouse. Mouse is the correct answer. Okay? All of you have noted? Yes? Yes, I can see your chat. Yes, all of you have written. I believe all of you have written this. Device used to get result on a paper. Which device is used to get result on a paper? The answer is printer. Device which is used to listen song. Which device will help you all to listen to songs? Any guesses? The answer would be speaker. Device which is used to type words. Which device helps us to type words? The answer is keyboard. So all the answers, number 1 answer is input. Number 2 answer is output. Number 3 answer is mouse. Number 4 answer is printer. Number 5 answer is speaker. Number 6 answer is keyboard. I hope all of you have noted. Yes? Okay. So I'm rubbing this. Now, number C, you have to write I for input device, O for output device in the given box. Alright? So are you ready, children? What is joystick? What kind of a device it is? Yes? Joystick is what kind of device? I. That is input device. What kind of device is speaker? O. O for output. What kind of device is scanner? Scanner, does it show output? No, it is I. Input, because you are inputting picture on any document. Keyboard basically is an input device. Monitor, output device. And mouse again, an input device. Alright? So number 1 answer is I for input. Number 2 O. Number 3 I. Number 4 keyboard will be I. Number 5 monitor will be O, output device. And number 6 will be I, input device. Now time for true and false, children. I hope you all are ready. Input device are used to give instruction. Input device are used to give instruction. Write it true. A keyboard is used to type words. Keyboard is used to type words. Write it as true. A mouse is also called VDU. False. Monitor is called VDU. A microphone is an output device. Microphone is not an output device. Write it false. It is an input device. Scanner is also known as pointing device. The answer is false. Scanner is not a pointing. Which is the pointing device, children? The pointing device is mouse. The output we get on paper is called hard copy. The answer is true. So what will be the answer? Number 1 true. Just tally it. Number 1 true, number 2 true, number 3 false, number 4 false, number 5 false, number 6 true. Okay? Alright? Okay. Name any one input and output device. So let us see what we have to name one input and output device. So let us write input device. In input device you can write anything, keyboard. Suppose I have written keyboard, you can write mouse also. And output device. I have written printer. You can write monitor also. So I am giving multiple options here. Let us give multiple options. Okay. Printer, given here monitor. You can write apart from keyboard. What we can write apart from keyboard? Mouse. Acha, what is the use of keyboard, children? Keyboard is used to type words and numbers. So write down question number 2. Keyboard. Keyboard is used to type words and numbers. Now children, many of you, when you come across this part of the lesson, you might have questions that, sir, where we will write the answer of question number E. Where we will write the answer? Let me tell you where you have to write. Computer copy. Do not write the answers in the book. Okay? In the computer copy. I am writing the answers here so that you can understand. Alright? I am explaining the chapter as well as writing the answer. But you all will not write the answers in the book. Where you will write? In your computer copy. Now what is the use of printer? Printer is used to give result of an input on paper. So whatever we are inputting, we are getting the result on a paper. What is that called, children? Hard copy. Okay. So all of you have noted. I'll just wait for you all to note it down. You can take a screenshot of this also if you want. It's better you take a screenshot. Okay. Thank you, children, for writing the answers. Now we come to the last question of this chapter. That is, just wait. At home, just read out the question, application based. At home you saw your brother playing a computer game with the help of joystick. Identify and write whether it is an input or output device. Joystick is used for inputting the signals during the game. So what is joystick? Joystick is a input device. So note it down. Joystick is an input device. Okay. Children, with this we come to an end of today's class. Now there are some homeworks you have to do. Your homework will be to write all these question answers in the computer copy. Number 1. Submit this homework to me according to the date of submission given. In our next class, for your upcoming test, the syllabus will be announced. Probably this chapter will be there in your syllabus. So we will do a revision also of this chapter before the test. So please do the homework arduously. That is, all these question answers that are given, please write down in the copy. Only the question answers, okay children? No need to write tick the correct options in the copy. Alright? So only the question answers you must write in the copy. So thank you children for watching this class. Please see the videos regularly, since live classes will be very difficult for you to take. So we are trying our best to help you with that. Take help of your parents. If you have any doubts, you can clarify it to us. Okay? So this is your computer teacher, Devjit sir, taking a leave for today. Stay healthy, stay at home, okay? And please take good care of yourself. Thank you.